In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create free images with Leonardo AI in just a few simple steps. If you've been wanting to generate eye-catching AI artwork, social media visuals, thumbnails, or just unique creative images without needing design skills, this guide will walk you through the whole process. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Leonardo AI and go into your workspace. Once you're inside, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it. This is where you'll begin setting up your image generation. After that, choose your preferred model. Leonardo AI offers different models depending on the style and type of image you want to create, so pick the one that best fits your project. If you want more realistic results, a creative illustration look, or something more stylized, the model you choose can make a big difference in the final outcome. Next, set your quality. Higher quality usually gives you cleaner and more detailed results, while lower settings can be faster if you just want to test an idea. Then, if available, set your style. This step is optional, but it can help guide the AI toward a certain look, whether that's cinematic, artistic, modern, or something else entirely. After that, set the image dimensions. This is important because different sizes work better for different uses. For example, you might want a square image for social media, a vertical image for stories or mobile content, or a wide image for banners and thumbnails. Choosing the right dimensions before generating can save you time later. Then choose the number of generations you want. If you want multiple versions of the same idea, increase the number, so Leonardo AI creates several options at once. This is especially useful when you want to compare results and pick the best one. Now find the text prompt bar. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want to create. Be as clear and descriptive as possible. The better your prompt, the better your image will usually turn out. You can describe the subject, the background, the lighting, the colors, the mood, and even the style you want. If you already have a specific image in mind, you can also upload an image reference using the upload button. Just click upload, then select and upload a photo from your local storage. Adding a reference image can help guide the AI and make the result closer to what you're imagining. Once everything is set up, type your text prompt into the prompt bar. Take a moment to review your settings so you're happy with the model, quality, style, dimensions, and number of generations. Then click Generate. Leonardo AI will start creating your image, and after a few moments, your free AI image should appear on the screen. From there, you can review the results, pick your favorite version, and adjust your prompt if you want a different look. And that's it. You've now learned how to create free images with Leonardo AI. It's a simple process once you know where the main tools are, and with a little practice, you can create amazing images for content, branding, or personal projects. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.